It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! Oh my gosh, you guys. Avon 12 Days of Deals is in full swing. Today is a really good one. You get a full-size Avon Anew Vitamin C warming peel with a $60 order and free shipping. Use the code PEEL. I love this scrub. This is awesome. It's kind of an exfoliant. I use this and then I use that charcoal mask. So they're both really good. So you get that if you order tonight by midnight. Tomorrow there will be another deal. But today I want to talk about these Avon Caddies. Oh my gosh, I'm loving so much the Christmas Caddy. So it comes like this. You can easily wrap one of these up for Christmas if you want to buy it as a gift. The Christmas version is a little pricier. This one is actually $20. I'm going to show you how these work. If you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information, including how to order online, is down below. You just click on the link, you place your order. Shipping is free on $60. And then once you're on my coupon list, you can either sign up via my blog, or once you place an order, it'll automatically put you on the list. Then every time you order, if you go to offers, there's a little pink dot up there. You're going to get all kinds of cool deals. Plus Black Friday's coming. So all good. So check this out. Opens up. There's a piece. Flat piece goes on the bottom. These are really easy to set up. So then what it does is it folds out like this. I love the black with the stars on it. It is so, so pretty. Then there are these Velcro pieces in here. And then all you do is you attach the Velcro just like this. Oops. You gotta make sure it's going in the right direction. Velcro to Velcro. Horrible noise. Like that. And then there's one that's kind of a T. You know what? I have this backwards. I'm gonna make a horrible noise, you guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. This one goes here. This one goes here. Like this. And then the T-cross one, let's see, it goes this way and then this way. There we go. Super easy to put together once you can actually see in there. And it goes like this. And then you have, check it out, all these little compartments to put your makeup brushes and everything in. And there's Velcro on the side. Not Velcro, this is elastic. You can put like a brush over here, and then on the front there's pockets. I love these cases. They're just so convenient to grab everything. I have about 3 of these on my desk, and I'm really loving this style. I also use this one in my car. So, you know, everything with COVID going on, I never leave the house without this. And what I keep in here are my Avon mineral wipes. I've got some, these are just like, these are my Avon Defense hand cleaning wipes. And then I've got some big hand sanitizers. And then I've also got, I wish Avon made the big ones. I keep a whole bunch of my cucumber and vanilla hand sanitizers in here so that I can wash my hands in the car. These are currently buy one, get one free. So if you're going to place an order, these are awesome stocking stuffers. Look how big they are. They're really a nice size. So they're $3.99, buy one, get one free. Brings them down to like $2 each. And then I actually use the Avon masks. These are just the, they're like the paper masks. I always wear 2 of them because I'm really a germaphobe, but I find these work really well. And then I don't like the cloth ones because I don't like to wash them. I like to use them and toss them. So I keep my masks in here. Oh, I also have some rubber gloves in here. But I always bring this with me every time I leave the house, and I put it in my car. And it's just convenient because then I know I always have a mask with me. I always have hand sanitizer, and I never have to worry about it. So my Caddy has come in handy. The Black and Star one is $20, and then the pink one is actually $12.99. So they have both of those online right now that you can purchase for Christmas. They make great gifts. It'd be really neat for someone if you actually bought one and then fixed it up with like the masks, the hand sanitizers. That would make a great gift for somebody, so then they can just take it in their car. So awesome, awesome gift idea. Don't forget, if you buy something tonight before midnight, use the code PEEL, 60 free shipping on $60, and then you get the free item. I almost said that backwards. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I will be back. Have an awesome evening. Bye-bye.